Did you know that rectifying a design fault after the installation of a pharma clean room could be a really costly affair for the pharma company and as well as the consultant or the contracting company which is executing that work? It could lead to unnecessary complications which could have been avoided if it was designed properly in the beginning. And if you are a pharma engineer who is involved in the design or the execution of a pharma clean room, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll give you the 6-step process of designing a pharma clean room. Hi, I'm Omkar Tilve, a Cleanroom Engineering Coach, where I'm on a mission to empower India's pharmaceutical sector by creating a new breed of influential pharma engineers and inspiring them to lead our pharmaceutical sector towards growth, quality, and compliance through their leadership and influential skills. And after watching this video, you will be benefited by two things. First, you will get a step-by-step action-specific process of designing a pharma clean room. And secondly, you will make better decisions while designing the clean room. And if you stay till the end, I have planned 3 gifts or bonuses absolutely free for you. So I hope you stay till the end. And to make the most out of this video, I suggest you get your pens and papers ready and take notes like crazy, because when you listen and you write, that is when your retention level is much high. So let's now deep dive into how to design a pharma clean room, the 6 easy steps. Now, to begin with, first let us see the concept of designing a pharma clean room. Now, a pharma engineer may ask, why should one focus more on the design phase? Now, the answer to this question lies behind a wonderful story when the American car executives went to Japan to understand or examine the Japanese assembly line. They saw that at the end of the assembly line, when the door was set on to the hinges, it fit perfectly over there. But they felt like something was missing, because in the United States, what they used to do is at the same point of the assembly line where they used to fix the doors, they used a rubber mallet to hit on the side of the door so that it fits perfectly. But they didn't find that rubber mallets over here. So they turned to the Japanese engineer and they asked, like, when do you ensure that the door fit perfectly over there? Because I cannot see rubber mallets or the rubber hammers. The Japanese engineer smiled at them and said that we ensure or we make sure that it fits when we design it. So if this was a bulb-on moment for you, or if you heard about this perspective for the first time regarding design, type FT in the comment box. So they said that we make sure it fits when we design it. So what they basically do is they engineer the outcome they want from the beginning. So as a design engineer, or in terms of a design perspective, I want to inculcate this into your mind, so that whenever you're designing a pharma clean room, you think in a way that you engineer the outcome you want right from the beginning, that is the design phase. So this was the concept of designing a pharma clean room. Now we'll get into the 6 steps. So the first step of designing a pharma clean room is the user requirement specification. Now the user requirement specification, to prepare it, you need to have a list of relevant questions that you need to go and ask the client, where you understand the client's intentions and the end results, that what he wants to achieve from the clean room. And once you get all this data, when you ask the relevant questions and you understand it in intentions, you gather that data, compile that data and tabulate on a spreadsheet, so that you have a general but a very clear picture of how the clean room will be. And you can now share this URS with your client, and you can comment over it, or if any rectification is needed there and there. The second step after the URS specification is the site inspection. Now, the site inspection involves that first you take the site measurements, which is the room length, the room dimensions, which is the length, breadth, height. And also you need to understand the civil structure, like where are the beams, the columns, etc. And also one thing you need to know is to do the heat load calculations, you need to note the solar exposed walls and roofs, like the walls and roofs that are exposed to the sun and which direction the sun is hitting them. So you should also mark the cardinal direction, either it is north, south, east or west. And also during the site inspection, check the feasibility of the duct routing, like is the duct routing possible between the false ceiling and the true ceiling, etc. The third step of designing a clean room is, once you do the site inspection, you should do the clean room layout drawings. Now the first drawing is that you should have the as-built civil layout, like what from the details that you got from the site inspection. After that, you draw the clean room layout with placing the wall panels. Then place the clean room equipment and machines in the room. After that, prepare the HVAC zoning layout as per the user required specification. Like the client would be giving you, like, I need this classification in this room. So you prepare the zoning layout, and also you prepare the room pressure zoning layout as per the URS. Now regarding the HVAC zoning and the pressure zoning, I'll make video in the future. So stay tuned for that. So now we come to the fourth step, which is the heat load estimation. The heat load estimation is done for the purpose of arriving at the capacities of the air handling unit, which is the CFM or the tonnage. For this, you need the room dimensions, which you have got from the site inspection, the required indoor room conditions as per the URS, like what are the parameters, the temperature, humidity, etc., which is required in the room, the room-wise cleanliness levels, the type of HVAC system in the room, either it is once through or cooling system, etc. The ambient outdoor conditions, like of where the pharma plant is situated, the pressure gradients in the room, and the sensible and latent heat details. Now regarding the sensible and latent heat details, I have another video that you can go through. You will be seeing the access on the top right corner of this video. So once the heat load estimation is done, the fifth step is to do the ducting drawing. Now to prepare the ducting drawing, first you need to prepare a reflected ceiling panel layout, placing the air terminals in the drawing. Now the RCP layout or the reflected ceiling panel layout will give you the positions of the air terminals, like the diffusers, the HEPA modules. You need to place it in the drawing first. And after placing the air terminals, you need to position the AHU where it will be located in the plant. Now you have the starting point of the duct and the ending point of the duct, which is the air terminal devices. You just need to connect the AHU to the air terminal devices. And after this, you start designing the ducts and sizing the ducts based on the airflow using a duct sizer. Start the duct routing drawing from the AHU and mention the bottom of the duct in the drawings. I'll tell you why, because you can now examine the ducts or the beam for clashes, if there are clashes in the drawings. So if there is something wrong in the drawing, it shouldn't reflect on during the installation phase, because rectifying takes a hell lot of time, energy and money. And the final step is very important. This is very important, guys. You need to cross check. You need to cross check the heat load estimations. You need to cross check the ducting sizes in the ducting drawing. You need to cross check the duct routing for the beams and duct if there are any clashes in between them, and also cross check the bottom of the ducts. This is very crucial. If you need to do it once, do it once. If you need to do it twice, thrice, do it twice or thrice, because this will ensure that the installation goes seamlessly. So to revise, the first step is to prepare the user required specification, then do the site inspection of the plant, then do the clean room layout drawings, the heat load estimation, then the ducting drawing, and a very important step, which is to cross check everything. Now that we have come to the end of this video, and as promised, I had planned 3 gifts or bonuses for you. And these are absolutely free. So the first one is that I do a free clean room masterclass every week where you will learn the 3 backend secrets of a pharma clean room. And keeping in mind my mission of empowering India's pharmaceutical sector, I do it absolutely for free. So if you want to register for this, you can go to bit.ly/omkar-masterclass, and I would love to meet you live in there. The second bonus that I've planned for you is a free clean room design guide. Now, whatever I've explained in this video, I have prepared a PDF for you so you can keep it forever with you. So to download this, you can go to type in Google bit.ly/omkar-guide1. And the third bonus is I've created a free VIP group for pharma engineers on Facebook called the Cleanroom Engineering Mastermind. And the purpose of creating this group is that the pharma engineers could find one space where they can hang out together virtually, exchange ideas, exchange knowledge about the pharma sector and the clean room sector, and which would help them in your career growth. So to join the VIP group, you can go to bit.ly/omkar-vip. So we come to the end of this video, and I'll meet you in my next video. And also, if you're coming to the masterclass, I'll meet you live there. This is Omkar signing off. Bye bye.